Imagine spending thousands of dollars on a brand new laptop, only to realize you bought yesterday's technology disguised as the future. Right now, the tech world is quietly fracturing into two sides. On one side, there are people rushing to buy whatever is currently on store shelves. On the other side, there is a small group of power users, developers, and creators who have completely stopped buying hardware. They are waiting, because they know something that Apple isn't ready to scream from the rooftops just yet. The Silicon Valley whispers are getting too loud to ignore, and they all point to one definitive monolith of computing power: the M6 Max MacBook Pro. If you think you've seen speed, if you think your current setup is peak performance, you are about to experience a very brutal wake-up call. We aren't talking about a simple 15% spec bump or a slightly brighter screen. We are talking about an architectural shift so massive that it threatens to render everything before it completely obsolete. To understand why this machine changes everything, you have to look at what is happening behind closed doors at Apple Park. For years, the tech giant has been playing a calculated game of chess. But with the M6 Max, they are flipping the board entirely. The core of this revolution comes down to a number that sounds small but changes reality: 2 nanometers. For the uninitiated, the smaller the transistors, the more power you can pack into a microscopic space without turning your laptop into a literal furnace. The M6 Max isn't just pushing the limits of physics, it is practically rewriting them. Imagine holding a machine that possesses more raw, unadulterated computational power than a dedicated, liquid-cooled desktop tower from just a year ago. Except it runs completely silent, fits into a backpack, and doesn't require a power outlet to sustain that peak performance. This is the psychological trap of the current tech market. You buy a machine today, and you feel safe. But the gap between the previous generation and the M6 Max isn't a step, it's a canyon. Think about the tasks that currently make your machine stutter: rendering complex three-dimensional environments, compiling millions of lines of code, manipulating massive data sets, or editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K footage. On a standard machine, that is a cue to go grab a coffee, check your phone, and wait. The M6 Max turns those agonizing minutes into instantaneous clicks. It removes the friction between human thought and digital execution. But Apple didn't just build this machine to render videos faster. They built it because the world changed overnight, and most laptops are completely unequipped to handle it. We have officially entered the era of localized intelligence. Right now, most of the advanced artificial intelligence you use relies on the cloud. You send a request, a distant server processes it, and it sends it back. It is slow, it is a privacy nightmare, and it requires a constant connection. The M6 Max is engineered to bring that entire ecosystem directly onto your lap. The unified memory architecture of the M6 Max is the real secret weapon here. While traditional PCs are still fighting the bottleneck between the central processor and the graphics card, Apple's unified memory allows the entire chip to access a massive pool of high-bandwidth memory simultaneously. When you couple that with an overhauled neural engine designed specifically for next-generation local AI models, you get a machine that can run complex, multi-billion parameter language models locally, securely,